Let's write the sound w, w, w. Like a wind blows. Hi children, welcome back again to my channel. So today I am your teacher. We're going to be learning how to write the sound w, 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 w. Okay, so my name is favourtheteacher. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. I need you to please subscribe, like this video, and you can share them to your friends. Okay, so before we go on, I need you to look up on the screen. I want to be sure that you can say your sounds from R to Z. Want to go? A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that was amazing. Well done, children. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some sounds. I need you to tell me what sound they are, because now we've said it serially. I want to know that you know them randomly, right? So what sound is this? The sound what? J, 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 j. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. The jelly and jam. Okay. And what about this sound? What sound is this? Good job. There's a jolly funny rhyme that goes, drive Vixen round the village, drive Vixen round the village, drive Vixen round the village. The sound. And what about this sound? I didn't hear that. What sound is this? The sound what? Y, y, y. And what sound is this? The sound x, x, x. Beautiful. Okay, and what about this sound? Amazing. What? Again? Umbrella. Okay, children. So right now, we're going to be learning to write the sound what? W. I have with me here my whiteboard and my markers. So the first sound we have is what? The sound what? But before we move on, we're going to be learning to write this. So it's very easy, but very tricky. So let's go. It's going to be a stroke down. Make a loop. Take it up, down the same line. Make a loop. Go up, down. Did you see that? That's the what? The sound w, w, w. Let's go again. A stroke down. Go up like you're making a loop. Down again. Go up. And a little dash. Because this dash helps you to control it. For instance, we have the sound. We want to write the word w. Y. So you see the little dash here. It helps you to connect to the next sound. So it is mandatory that we put it very tiny, just a little dash up there. Okay, so you can use it to connect when we are going to start writing our handwriting. Okay, all right, so let's go again. We're going one more time. So it is a stroke down, like you're doing a loop. Go up, down the same line, go up, and a little dash. That's the sound what? Wah, 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 wah. Again, a stroke down, go up. You can take it up to the middle, down again, go up, and a little what? Wah, a little dash. So it's either you're taking yours to match with the same line, with the same height as the first stroke down, or you're taking it halfway to the middle. Okay? So let's try to write W again. Are you ready? 1 to go. A stroke down. Go up like you're making a loop. Take it up, down the same line. Go up and a little dash. That's the sound what? W, 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 W. Okay, so let's go. 1 to go. A stroke down. A loop up the same line. Down the hill, go up again, and a little dash. That's the sound what? W, 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 W. Okay, so right now, we're going to be connecting, writing the sound from A to W. Okay? So I'm going to be drawing lines here. So we're going to have like an imaginary line, just like the way your book is. Can you see that? Okay. All right. So I'm going to be using the other marker. Yeah. So are we ready? Let's go. The first sound is what? Ah. Good job. We go like this. Everything should sit on the line. The next sound, ah, b. Good job. Ah, b. Beautiful. And fantastic d. Wow, I'm super proud of you. A, b, k, d. E, good. A, b, k, d. E, up curve. Good. Beautiful, the sound g. A, b, k, d. E, g. E, good job. J, amazing. K, beautiful. The next one, L. I'm happy with you. L, What's the next sound? O, beautiful. So let's go again. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, o, p. Beautiful. Qu, amazing. R, wow, I am super proud of you. Qu, r. So let's go. L, o, p, qu, r, s. Beautiful, fantastic word. And the next one, umbrella. Qu, r, s, a. Remember we said a slant down and a slant up. A fantastic word. Where's that sound? W, w, w. So let's go from the beginning. A, b, k, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, o, p, qu, r, s, a, v. An amazing word. W. A stroke down, up, down the same line, go up again, and a little dash. That's the sound what? w. Okay, so let's try to write the sound w all over. Let's go. A stroke down, go up the same line, down the hill, up and a dash. A stroke down, like you're making a loop, go up, down the same line, go up again, and a little dash. So let's go again. A stroke down, like you're making a loop, go up, down the same line, curve, go up again, and a little dash. So one more time. A stroke down, make a loop, go up, down the same line, make a loop, go up the same line, and make a dash. A stroke down, make a loop, go up, down the same line, make a loop, go up again, and a dash. One more time. A stroke down, go, make a loop, take it up, down the same line, make a loop, take it up, and a little dash. The last time. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line, make a loop, take it up, and a little dash. That's the sound what? W. Let's go over here. A stroke down, make a loop, take it up, down the same line, make a loop again, take it up again, and a little dash. The sound w. So we have established how to write the sound what? W. I know that this is tricky, but you can do it, okay? All right, children, so this is the end of our video, and I'll see you in the next video where we learn to write the sound what? Fantastic what? Wow, we're almost coming to the end of all our sounds, and I am super proud of you. Remember to keep watching, practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.